Evening, wherever you're watching me from. Here, someone Jason YK. Okay, so today I just want to give you guys a tip of what you guys should be expecting from the market next week, which is today, Sunday, on the 12th of January 2025. What you guys should be expecting from the market from tomorrow or from tonight till Friday. So, if you can see on my screen, on Tuesday, I had a live trade with everyone on this channel, or if you missed that, you can just check the video on my YouTube channel. It's there. Okay, and this was the trade we actually analyzed together. And this was where I mark as my golden zone. And here was the first entry we marked. And I explained some stuff there that from this golden zone, we're going to take our entry. But unfortunately, when we ended the live, the market was actually around here, still moving up. But when the market got to this psychological level, if you missed that video, man, you need to go and check it on my channel to know exactly what I explained about psychological level, how the market will behave at every psychological level. So, and when the market got to this psychological level, there was a massive reaction. Actually, there was news around this time, and then it dropped it down to our golden zone. And then what happened? This happened. And if you're not my free Telegram channel, you're missing because I carried them along when I entered the trade and when I told them to close here. So we took our entry around here and then we closed it here. We're able to book about 120 pips, which was this. We're able to book 120 pips on this particular trade, which was the live we had on Tuesday. So, and on Wednesday, I actually gave a free signal on Wednesday too on my free Telegram channel, which we booked about 200 pips. Let me just show you guys. On Wednesday too, I gave out a free signal on my channel, which on this one, we book about 200 pips on this particular trade. The market was actually here. It was dropping down here when I gave the signal. You can check it out on my free Telegram channel. It's going to be somewhere here before and after. So the market was actually here. Then I told everyone that the market will get back to this particular zone, 200 pips, and then drop down. And the market actually respects our opinion by getting down to here, and then what happened? And it dropped down for with this. We actually booked 200 on this trade. It was more than 200, but we booked 200 and we're out of the market. That was on Wednesday. So those are the two free signals I gave out this week. If you're not on that free Telegram, you're missing. So the link is going to be under the description of this video. You can click on it and join. It's free of charge to join. So, and on Friday, the market actually moved massively and then hit our take profit level, but that was on Wednesday. We're out of the market already. So this, I see all this drama that happened on Wednesday, on Thursday, and then on Friday, what happened? It was massive. It was massive from here, drop down here, hit our take profit level, and then drop even more. So that is what happened last week. So without wasting much of our time, let's just go straight to what we should be expecting next week. Just like I told you guys, this year, I've made up my mind to carry as many people as possible along, to help as many people as possible and to carry as many people as possible along. So don't dull yourself, let me just delete what I have here. Yeah. So I'll be starting from the monthly. And if you observe very well, this is monthly. This is monthly where I'll be starting my top down. If you look at this, what is happening presently, you will see that throughout December, the market was selling. It was a massive sell from this point. And if you're familiar with candlestick pattern, you will know that this candle is telling us something, right? So, yeah, moving forward, I haven't seen this, that was seen this, right? So what we need to do is to drop it down to weekly. Let's go to the weekly and see what happened on the weekly. Moving down to the weekly, let's just try to mark out some key levels on this weekly. Let's try to mark out some key levels like this zone. You can mark where the market is right now. And then is there any trend line? No, there's no trend line around that zone. Let's try to put this. Okay, then moving forward to the daily. Let's just take it down to the daily straight off without wasting time. Without wasting time. We don't need to waste time on this, guys. So we can actually have a trend line here. On this daily, we can actually have a trend line, which is going to represent daily trend line, which is going to represent our daily what? Our daily trend line. I want to believe that everybody are following. On Tuesday again, I'll be live on YouTube. Either Tuesday or Wednesday, I'll let you guys know on my Telegram channel. But most probably on Tuesday, I'll be live again to trade live with you all. So now, presently, if you look at this market now, if you look at it on the daily, remember our monthly is telling us that the market is on a bearish level. Our weekly is telling us what? That it's a bearish too. Now, if you look at this daily now, the daily is also telling us that it's what? It's a bearish market. But if you check this particular trend line that we drew now, you will observe that the market is on the third touch on the trend line here. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. There's always a reaction anytime the market get to any third touch, there's always a reaction. So I'm expecting some reaction around this zone. Let's try to have a bearish trend line here. Yeah, let's have this bearish trend line here. Yeah, perfect. So now having seen this, we can just drop it down to the daily is telling us a lot of information here. A whole lot of information is there. So we can actually have a zone here too. We can have one here. We can have one here. So now let's drop it down to the 4 hours. Let's just drop it straight down to the 4 hours without wasting much time. I think this is too big, right? Yeah, let's take it down. Yeah, this is third touch on a trend line. Okay. 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours. I'm seeing a zone here too. Let's mark this. Let's mark this because take it or leave it. US30 is a pair that actually respect key levels very well. US30 do respect key levels very, very well. So what I'll be looking for on this market is this week, guys, you have to be very, very patient with the market. You have to be very, 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 very patient with the market. There are 2 things I'll be looking for on this market. The first one is this. Looking at this, the first one I'll be looking at is either there will be a reaction here like this, and it will get back to this trend line, or even take it further here, and then like this, and then drop it down. Take it or leave it. This is what I'll be looking for. I'll just be looking for selling opportunity on this market. Or you wait for this market to break out of this trend line, give you a retracement and you take it down. This is what I'll be looking for. Either I wait for selling opportunity around this zone. Take note of what I said, guys. Take note of what I said. I'll be looking forward to sell the market this week. So either I wait for selling opportunity around this particular level for this level to break and give me a retracement and I take it down, or the market will retrace back up to this zone and then we'll take it down. So we'll be expecting something about how many pips? About 1,000, let's say 1,600 pips from this particular level. Or if the market should push up to this level, we'll be expecting about what? 3,000 pips. About 3,000 pips, or from this minor zone, about 2,600 pips. So guys, this is what I will be expecting this week. I'm not gonna buy. I'm not gonna buy, you know. And mind you, we have our daily conferences that will make use of before we enter the market. If you want to take your trading further, then you can decide to join the team. This year I've made up my mind to carry a lot of people along. So there are so many things I'll be reducing from the program. I'll be introducing 3-month package, 6-month package, and then I think 3 months, 1 year and lifetime. There's no 6 months. Okay, guys. So this is what I'll be looking for this week. And make sure you join me live on Tuesday. I'll be live on YouTube, to show you guys how we enter the market and how we can take the trade together. And let's try to maximize our profit. See, this year, I just need you guys to put in more effort this year. If you want to take up proprietary firm, try to take it. But when you are trading phase one, phase two on proprietary firm, that's not the time for you to be risking 0.5% of your account. Phase one, phase two is a time to take a risk, to increase your risk. There's some calculative risk that you can take, just like what I was telling my mentees yesterday. There are some calculative risk that you can take. There are some trade that you yourself, that if you enter this market, it's going to give you a good profit. This year, make up your mind. I'm going to drop a video maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow about trading plan. Then I'll break what I'm saying. I'll break it into details. Okay, guys. So this is where I'm going to stop for today till I come your way again. This is someone Jason YK signing out. The link to my free Telegram channel and other social media will be in the description under this video. Make sure you click and join for free. Till I come your way again. This is someone Jason YK signing out. Peace out.